So here's my unboxing video for the Majorette moving parts, and as you can see I have tons of them. So let's start the unboxing. So the first car I have here is Nissan Z, and let's start the unboxing. So these are all opening parts. As you can see, we have the opening doors here. The detailings are not quite high, but I think the color is very good and I like the color a lot. The color has a lot to say, and plus a bit of detailing on the bonnet, so this is good. Plus it also has the suspension. This is good. That's the first car. Also all these premium cars have some cards. So this is the card with the specifications and performance of Nissan Z. This is a good souvenir to keep if you have this car. So these are good. Let's move on to the other car. So next we have the Datsun Z from the vintage collection, and I think this is also a very good car. The color is also pretty nice here as well. Let's unbox this as well. This has opening part as well, the opening doors, plus this looks a bit better than the other cars. The detailing is quite good here, as well as the opening doors. Well, the doors open quite a bit. Also, we look into it. The detailing is quite good. I think the detailing is quite good in the seats as well, and the chairs. Plus, vintage is written on the back. It's good. It has plastic inserts as well. So overall, a very good deal, and I really like the color of this car. Plus, all these cars have what you call the suspensions as well. Now the third car. Well, also yes, I totally forgot. The Datsun Z card is here as well. Sometimes a bit tough to take the cards out. And there's a Datsun Z card. The specifications, as you can see, the color and the card matches quite well. Now the third car is pretty much something from the vintage selection. I really wanted it. I liked it. This gives sort of that Mr. Bean car vibe. And the paint here is good as well. I think the paint job that they do is pretty good. I'm not a very big fan of the Majorette mainline detailing, but that's very good. It also has the opening parts. So as you can check here. Also, this is the card for the car. The next in line will be the Volvo. I think what they did is, what I saw in this was that it has a broken part already, so let's unbox it. Show you that. This looked pretty good. The color is very good, and I have this broken part here. I don't know how this happened. There was nothing in the box, but it just got shipped like this. But this is pretty good. The opening doors here as well. I think I shall open the doors of all these cars. Let's open the Range Rover. I really like the color of this car a lot. I think the color is pretty good. The color is fire. Also the detailing is pretty good. And this has the trunk open. So this is also the card for just get stuff for these cars. This is the card for the Range Rover. And just park them at the back so you can see them. Just now it's time for the next lot. So next I have the Chevrolet Corvette. And it has the hood open. So I have the doors open, then the trunk open, now the hood. The detailing is quite good here as well. The tires, it's written Majorette all over them, and just like all of them, the Majorette moving part. And here's the card for the car. I think one thing that I really liked about these cars is the card is pretty good, and the card is almost similar to the cars. So there's the detailing on the cars is as good as on the cars, and it's like what you see there is what you get. Next is Toyota GT 2000 GT, and I think this is one of the vintage cars that I liked, and I got it with Honda as well because I really liked it, and I think it really gives that vibe. Plus the red color is pretty good. The trunk is a bit tough to open, but I think it suffices the purpose. The detailing here is good, and just look at this, the old vibe. The trunk open as well. Now here's the Porsche. Now comes the major cars that I have in my collection. Oh. It has the trunk open as well. Also, these are the cards for both Toyota and Porsche. So the Porsche is from the Porsche collection as well. So the card is a bit different, and the rest is the same. The detailings and whatever the specs are, the performance codes, it is there. And now let's move on to some of the major cars that I have, and let's unbox. Unboxing these cars now. So this is it for this video as of now. I think I've already unboxed a lot of cars, and I don't want this video to be really long, so I'll just add this in another video, and we'll see you shortly.